This video I'm going to be showing how to remove the door handles on a Scion XB. It's a 2008. I'm doing a car wrap. But in order to get the handles removed, you're gonna need a torque. Has torque screws inside, so let me show you. You're gonna have a plastic cover. So here's a handle. You're gonna have a plastic cover here in a circle. You're gonna pop that out, and as you can see in there, the screw's missing right now, but there's a torque screw that goes in there. Once you pop that torque screw, this piece is removable, and once you remove this, the handle, you move it to the left and it comes out. Same as the back. The front's very easy, just one screw. This pops out, and then this one moved to the left and the handle comes out. The back one is a little bit more difficult. On the back one, you're gonna have to remove these 3 torque screws, 1, 2, 3, and that removes the latch. But first, you're gonna have to take the door panel out. So in order to take the door panel, there's a screw here. There's another screw once you take this piece of plastic off. So you take this piece of plastic off, and there's another screw there. There's 2 screws. So you pop, once you take the screws from there, you pop this one out, pop this one out, and then there's clips all around this door panel. So they're just pop-up clips. So once you pop them, the whole panel comes out. And right now I currently have the passenger, the driver's back door panel removed that I can show you. I'm about finished up with this wrap, but decided to take a video if anybody needs to do the same thing I just did. I couldn't figure it out till you know how to remove these 3, and then this one actually has this. Once you remove these 3 and the door panel out, there's actually the screw that holds this piece, and there's a screw that holds this piece that you have to remove to get the door handle on the back, which is a little more difficult, like I said, than the front one. I'm gonna go to the other side to show you. So here we go again. This is the panel. So what we did is took the 3 hex screws from here, and we removed the latch, moved it in. So as you can see in there, the latch is underneath right now until I put it back together right now. So once you remove the latch, there's going to be a screw right across. I don't know if you can see it there. There's another torque screw. You can see it right there that holds. That torque screw right there is the one that holds this piece. This piece here. So once you remove the screw on that, you can remove that one, and then this one slides out. And I'm going to be removing that screw now to show you. And you don't have to take the screw all the way out, you just have to loosen it out. And then this one comes out. like that. So right there, there's a screw I'll just loosened up. This is where it attaches to. So once you got that off, this handle, just move it to the right and it comes out like that. So in order to put it back in, put it in there and then you just move it forward, and that's it. And then you put this piece back on, and then you screw it back on. So once you got that put back on, it's good to go. Like I said, on the driver's side, same deal here as the front. Has a small piece there, and it has a handle. So on this one, you would have to take the screw out, which is, let's see here, I haven't put it back together, this one, but that's where the screw goes. So you would take that screw out of there. Once you take it out, be very careful, because that can drop inside, so you got to get a magnetic tool to get it out, or remove the door panel. But if you get it out, this small piece comes out, and then this one, move it backwards on this one, and it comes out. Sorry I'm moving the camera too much. I'm using an iPhone to record this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you.